How are we doing, everybody? It's Robert from Euronics. We are here today with Sean from the Longhi. And Sean, we are going to talk about dehumidifiers.
We certainly are, Robert.
And it's the perfect time of the year to talk about them.
It is, most certainly is. The rainy season is upon us now in the next couple of months. So as we all know, the Irish weather is significantly changing and has been over the last number of years. You'll notice there's a lot more flooding going on. So it's a really good time to talk about dehumidifiers and what they can actually do for you.
So what is the benefit of a dehumidifier? Obviously, what's it going to do for me if I buy one?
I suppose most people know what a dehumidifier does, that it removes moisture from the air. So if you live in a home that has like a black damp patch on your wall,
which I've had, or
condensation build up on the interior of your windows, that's all moisture that's coming from us, from your pets, from your laundry, from cooking in the kitchen, all those sort of things. So a dehumidifier in a kitchen or in a hallway or something like that will remove that condensation. It'll stop that black patch appearing on your wall as well.
Okay.
That moisture that comes in your homes, it gets into everything. It gets into your wooden doors, your wooden floors. So you get that.
I've actually used one, and I'll be honest with you, I was shocked the amount of moisture it was pulling out of the house.
It's funny. Yeah.
So we've two of them here.
Yeah.
So what is the difference? So it's capacity.
So we have we call it the Dex 12, which is a 12-litre dehumidifier, and this is the Dex 16, which is a 16-litre dehumidifier. The difference between the two is the volume of water it pulls over a 24-hour period out of the atmosphere.
So this is 12 litres?
So 12 litre over 24 hour and 16 litre over 24 hour as well.
Okay.
If you're ever concerned of, sounds like an awful lot of water, the water tanks are on the side.
Yep.
And there's a safety feature that's built into all the Longhi dehumidifiers. And it's this little sensor here. So when the water comes up in the water tank, the little sensor comes up, and when it hits the top, the machine knows, hey, I'm full. I need to stop. Okay. So it'll actually shut the machine down as well.
And it has another cool feature.
It has a couple of extra cool features.
So your little hose.
So if you do want to go on a week's holidays and you want to remove the moisture, you might have had a bit of flooding in your home, or you just want to keep your house dry while you're away, it comes with a continuous drain hose. So if I turn the machine around, it literally removes this little fob here. The continuous drain hose goes in here, and then you can pop that into your sink or out the crack of a window, and that'll just work away 24 hours a day. So when you come back from wherever you're gone for your week or your few days, your house will be absolutely spotless.
So potentially pull 16 litres of water a day when I'm away for my 7 days.
Exactly, yeah.
That's
exactly.
And they're actually pretty good looking machines as well. And the thing I noticed about them, they're off now, but when they're on, they're actually quite quiet. They're not noisy.
They're not noisy at all. The Longhi dehumidifiers, actually this year, 2025, we were accredited with the Quiet Mark certificate.
Yeah.
So if you work in an office space with a lot of people, obviously there's moisture going to be created. Or if you want to dry the bedroom that you're sleeping in, because the decibel level is so low, it won't interfere. It's not like having a 40-foot truck.
No, it's really quiet.
It's really quiet. It's really quiet.
And the other thing I noticed from a health perspective, they are beneficial to you health-wise as well.
Health-wise, as both an asthma and a sufferer and hay fever sufferer, we were also accredited a number of years ago with the asthma and allergy cert. So basically what that means, Robert, is that there's a 3-way filtration system built into all the Longhi dehumidifiers. Okay. So the first sort of port of call for air coming into this, there's a fine mesh here. So that catches all dust and all dog hair, pollen, all that sort of stuff. That's hand washable on your sink, and you just let it dry. And then it's got the other 2. So it's a 3-way filtration system. So 1, 2, and 3, and then they just catch all the bigger stuff as well going through. As well, so it'll clean, and again they just come off. You hand wash them and let them dry. So
all those dirty, horrible particles giving me my asthma are now captured in the machine. So clean air.
Yeah.
So, what else about them?
So, one of the biggest, obviously the biggest selling feature is the remover of moisture. The biggest selling feature, and we use it in our house when we have to use a clothes horse. Is all the Longhi dehumidifiers come with a laundry drying function, which is on the little T-shirt symbol just there.
Yeah.
So when you click that on, the machine just stays at a constant level. So if you have a clothes horse sitting in a sitting room or a kid's bedroom or your dining room or wherever you might put it throughout the year, because they're not just for winter, it means that clothes horse is going to be sitting in that spot for 50% less time.
Okay.
If you just leave it sitting there without a dehumidifier, the moisture from your towels or your clothes, your jeans, that moisture has to go somewhere in your home. It has to go somewhere.
And that's the same people putting clothes on radiators, I would assume, because everybody does it.
Yeah, everybody does it. Yeah. So that will, that moisture will end up with the black patches on the wall, the condensation in the window. So by having a DeLonghi dehumidifier, it just stops all that moisture going everywhere.
So DeLonghi dehumidifiers give you a dry house.
Dry house.
You'll be healthier in your house.
You'll be healthier in your house.
They're quiet, so they're not going to annoy you.
Yeah, very much so, yeah.
And that's it, really, is it? Or is there anything else?
That's really it. I mean, the significant difference is that the 16 litre has a digital display on it.
Okay.
So it's actually got a built-in timer. So if you wanted to head off to work and just have it sitting beside your clothes horse, drying your clothes for 4 hours, you can do that. Or 1 hour or 6 hours. It can also do that as well. You can also dictate how much moisture it takes out of the air.
All right.
So some people don't want to, it's like being on an airplane, you get that really dry air, that horrible dry air, you get that thing in the back of your throat.
Overly dry, yeah.
So you can actually dictate exactly how much moisture on the 16 litre it takes out of the air. So it might just leave a little bit in just so it's not as well.
That's good.
So yeah.
So there you go. Sean, thanks very much.
No problem at all, Robert.
If you want to find out more about the Longhi dehumidifiers, all you need to do is go on to euronics.ie, or you can call into your local Euronics store and we'd be happy to teach you all about the Longhi dehumidifiers. Sean, there you go.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.